So the when you reach to a certain point when you cannot lose body fat anymore, so here is a point, then you should change something. When you feel your body, you are not losing weight anymore, stop fasting. Go back to normal diet for 1 or 2 days, or maybe a week, up to a week. Gain a little bit weight, that's okay. Trick your body cells, trick your body that you are eating normal, and then go back to fast again, and then you will lose another extra 2 or 3 kg, like in like a 2 or 3 weeks. You can do like a fasting like this, 4 days of fasting, 2 days normal. I always say, like, keep one day as a junk day. Let's say you take your Sunday as a junk day. You take junk, whatever you want, and do extra exercise that day. It will be enough. And add vitamins, multivitamins in your diet. Daily take one pill of multivitamin, any company, any good company, any good brand, okay, multivitamins plus minerals. Because when you are on a fasting and you are on a keto diet, or you are on like a low calories diet, you end up losing a lot of your minerals from your body, deficiency of vitamins and other essential nutrients. So that you must add multivitamins and minerals. So this will also increase your metabolism, and then you will lose some fats from your body.